Hello to all beauty lovers and lovers of flawless skin. So with Face today, I'm going to share a secret with you that no one has ever talked about so openly. Imagine that in the middle of summer, when the sun is shining with all its might and making everyone's skin dry, dull and full of spots, there is a magical mask that not only saves your skin from the harmful rays of the sun, but also does not allow even a single wrinkle or spot to appear on your face. Face creaming in fear this mask is a combination of cucumber and aloe vera, the same miracle that celebrities have been secretly using for years to always have clear, acne-free, and glowing skin. Don't you believe it? Just try it once to see the effect with your own eyes. No more dryness, dehydration, or sunspots, just soft, fresh, and youthful skin. If you want to shine like a star and never worry about aging or sun damage, watch this video until the end and learn the recipe for this amazing mask. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you don't miss any of the natural and miraculous routines. Today you will learn 3 wonderful recipes, useful for you everywhere, whether at a picnic, before bed, even when you are relaxing by the sea. Isn't it interesting? Such a high application with natural and available ingredients that are in every kitchen. I will tell you the list of ingredients and how to prepare them. We need a branch of aloe vera and a cucumber, and also 2 vitamin E capsules, and a teaspoon of aloe vera if you don't have it. Substitute cornstarch and a tablespoon of rose water and a tablespoon of shea butter. First, extract the aloe vera gel with a spoon and put it in a bowl that should be mixed with the help of a blender, and grate the cucumber with the skin. But don't throw away the pulp, because we need it. Go to this stage so that I can tell you the rest. For the first recipe, which is made with cucumber pulp, consider that we did not completely separate the cucumber juice from its flesh. Add a tablespoon of honey to it and stir. And finally, open a vitamin E capsule and pour in about 4 to 6 drops of vitamin E. Your first recipe is just that easy, but what does it have? This cucumber, honey, and vitamin E mask is a hydrating and rejuvenating balm for the skin. Xenotation spot cucumber, rich in water, vitamin A, and minerals that deeply hydrate and cool the skin, tighten pores, reduce inflammation and puffiness, and brighten and eliminate blemishes and wrinkles. Xenotation spot honey, a powerful moisturizer and repairer that, with its antibacterial and antioxidant properties, keeps the skin soft, clear, and fresh, reduces acne and acne scars, and speeds up the skin's regeneration process. Xenotation spot vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from environmental damage and aging, maintains skin moisture, reduces inflammation, and helps repair and rejuvenate the skin. This mask is great for all skin types and will leave you with soft, clear, and healthy-looking skin. It's great for under the eyes. The second recipe is to make a cucumber toner and moisturizer. It is used everywhere. I really love it. It revives my skin. It is very easy and convenient to make. If we consider the unit of measurement as a tablespoon, We need 4 tablespoons of cucumber juice and twice that, equivalent to 8 tablespoons, distilled or boiled water at room temperature and a tablespoon of rose water. Mix everything and pour it into a spray bottle. Congratulations, you have made one of the most expensive toners, of course, the better, because it does not have preservatives. For the skin, cucumber and rose water toner is a wonderful combination for the freshness and health of the skin. Cucumber rose notation spot cucumber is rich in water and vitamins A, C, and E, which deeply hydrate the skin, reduce puffiness and swelling, tighten pores, and make the skin brighter and reduce blemishes and inflammation. Xenotation Spot Rose Water is a real miracle worker for the skin. With its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, it reduces redness, pimples, and acne, balances the skin's pH, shrinks pores, and leaves the skin feeling soft and refreshed. It also helps relieve dryness and inflammation and prevents premature aging. If you're looking for natural and practical skin routines, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on all the cool tutorials and tricks. Smiling face with hard eyes, are you ready to transform your skin? The third recipe will make your skin look like a mirror. It's time to experience a real miracle. Starstruck Aloe Vera Mask, Cucumber Juice, Vitamin E, and Shea Butter, a magical and wonderful combination for your skin that anyone who tries it will love. At this stage, I mixed about 6 to 7 tablespoons of cucumber juice with the gel that I extracted from an aloe vera branch and mixed it together, and a tablespoon of shea butter. And first boiled it with a container of boiling water and then added it to the mixture. Since I had run out of cream around my eyes, I filled the container around my eyes. The combination of cucumber juice and aloe vera gel with shea butter works wonders for the eye area. Next, to make the main mask, all that's left is to add a teaspoon of shea butter. At this stage, we need a mixer. I did this with my blender and mixed the ingredients together. Do you see the stickiness? It's pure collagen. I will briefly explain the properties of this mask. Xenotation Spot Aloe Vera, the king of skin rejuvenation and hydration. It fades blemishes and acne scars, makes your skin smooth and clear like a mirror, and makes it so that even the summer sun cannot compete with it. Xenotation Spot Cucumber Juice, a cooling and moisturizing balm. It reduces inflammation and redness, brightens and refreshes the skin, and revives your skin like a cool drink in the middle of summer. Xenotation Spot Vitamin E, powerful anti-aging. Fights wrinkles, keeps the skin soft and velvety, and protects your skin from environmental damage like a shield. Xenotation Spot Aloe Vera, the secret to skin elasticity and firmness. It keeps your skin soft and firm like a baby's skin and gives you a silky feel. This mask is a miracle that celebrities always have in their routines, and now you can try it too. If you are looking for glowing, blemish-free, and always fresh skin, get started right now and make this mask. For the full tutorial and to see more natural routines, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and write in the comments that you saw the results. Are you ready to transform your skin? Fill the container with the mask you want, and it will last for 10 days in the refrigerator. Use it 3 times a week. You can use it every day for the area around your eyes. Always keep the toner with you, especially in hot weather. I hope you find this section useful. Please share your personal experience in the comments. I entrust you, my dears, to God.